Hello everyone, welcome to Learniverse. Ever wondered how cars stay safe on the road? Thanks to something called ADAS, which means Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. These systems help cars see what's around them and react to it, keeping everyone safe. In this video, we will explore the different ADAS sensors and how they make driving safer and smarter than ever before. Types of ADAS sensors which are in use today: cameras, GPS, radar, LiDAR, and ultrasonic sensors. Now let us see illustration of ADAS sensors in the modern vehicle. We'll start with LiDAR. It utilizes laser light to measure distances with high precision, creating detailed three-dimensional maps of the surrounding environment. LiDAR mainly operates by emitting laser beams and measuring the time it takes for the light to return after hitting an object. This information is used to calculate the distance to objects in the sensor's field of view. GPS receiver. GPS receiver is mainly used to get the car's position from satellites. Along with internal motion sensors, we can determine the exact position of the car. Rear radar. Rear radar in ADAS is used to detect objects and obstacles behind the vehicle. It helps in scenarios like parking, backing up, and monitoring traffic approaching from rear. We'll talk more about radar in the upcoming points. Wheel encoders. These are sensors attached to each wheels to measure the rotation and speed of each wheel. Wheel encoders provide real-time data on the rotational speed of the wheels. This particular information is really important for determining the vehicle's speed and acceleration. By counting the revolutions of the wheels, wheel encoders contribute to accurately calculating the distance the vehicle has traveled. This data is very essential for various ADAS functions like anti-lock braking system, which means ABS, traction control system, nothing but TCS, adaptive cruise control, which means ACC. Central computer. This central computer is used to control the car using specific algorithms which can make all the driving decisions. Now the interesting part is radar. Imagine radar as a superhero with a special power, sending invisible waves into the air at the speed of light. These waves are like messengers that bounce off objects and come back. When they return, the radar superhero gets the messages and figures out how far away things are and where they are compared to where the radar is standing. Radar is mainly used to maintain a fixed distance from the cars ahead. There are three different radar ranges used. Short range radar. It covers 0.5 to 20 meters. It is useful for finding things nearby. Placement of this radar is usually in the rear vehicle corners. ADAS systems like blind spot detection, rear collision warning, rear cross traffic alert will make use of short range radars. Next one is medium range radar. It covers 1 to 60 meters. It is more effective at detecting objects at medium distances. Placement of this radar would be in the front or sometimes it varies. ADAS systems like front cross traffic assist, lane change assist will make use of medium range radars. And the final one is long range radar. It covers 10 to 250 meters, mainly used on highways and in specific areas with high traffic density like interchanges and junctions. Placement of this radar is usually forward facing, I would say near the front bumper. ADAS systems like automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision warning will make use of long range radars. And next one is ultrasonic sensors. Ultrasonic sensors use sound waves to detect objects and measure distances. These sensors emit ultrasonic pulses and calculate the time it takes for the echoes to return, allowing them to determine the distance to objects. Ultrasonic sensors in ADAS can sense things close to the car, usually within 2 to 4 meters. They are really great for detecting objects nearby, like when you are parking or moving slowly. So, they enhance vehicles' safety and driving efficiency by assisting in parking and preventing collisions. And next one is cameras. Cameras are mainly used to capture visual information, enabling recognition of objects, lane markings, and traffic signs. These are some of the most important ADAS sensors in the modern vehicle. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe for more tech insights. Let us know in the comments which ADAS feature you find most interesting. Until next time, drive safely and stay curious.